Hey guys, welcome back to RC Restomod, and today is the day. Man, there have been all kinds of delays with getting the GoPro, getting a computer where I could edit it, plus finishing the dang car in the first place and everything else. Today we reveal the Basher. I'm very proud of the way it came out. I've tested it just a little bit. It works great. We're gonna run a little bit on 2S and then on 3S. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy, because I know I sure will. Anyway, here we go. Okay, here's truck number 2. Now, truck number 2 originally was a VXL 2-wheel drive slash. It's got the Boss snowplow body on it. Let's see what's underneath. All right, before we get started, there was one part of this thing, I don't have to show you what it looks like, but there's one part that really bothered me about the way it looks when I got it all done. All right, forget about the mess in the back of my truck. I'll deal with that at a later time. I think the car looks great. I like my decals on the side. Man, that thing looks sharp from every angle. Except one. When we come around and look at the front, that stock slash bumper looks kind of horrible on it. So what we're going to do real quick is install an RPM bumper that I bought for it. Now this much smaller bumper, I think, is going to look all kinds of better on this thing. So let's get the old one off. Okay, must I go upside down to the last floor? Coming off. New one. Okay, sorry for that interruption. My neighbor was telling me to watch out because he got bitten by a rattlesnake a few days ago. We live in the sticks, in the desert, in West Texas. That's something you always kind of have to keep your eye out for. Yeah, I put this on and then realized that it has to be off to install the front, the cross piece. So we'll try it again. I would try running it without this bumper, without the big bumper part on the front, but I think every little bit of protection you can get for these front wheels is a good thing, because this whole front end is kind of fragile when you run it into a good sized rock doing 25-30 miles an hour. Do things nice, because I do them twice. So let's put this bumper on for the second time. All right, now let's get a look from the front. That's much better. That matches the car a lot better. All right, we'll put the body clips in, turn it on, and run it around a little bit. All right, let's see how she runs. Guys and gals, hang on. I owe y'all quite the apology. I came out there and I was ripping around on 2S, and I switched batteries and started ripping around on 3S. It's freaking amazing on 3S, and you'll get to see that in a sec. I'm not going to put the 2S back in it because the sun's trying to go down on me, and I'm determined to get this video done today. So we're going to go rip it around on 3S for a minute. I do have one little problem in that tire did not survive a 3S run. So I'm going to have to switch them out right now. I have they're racing tires, which normally racing tires kind of suck for getting on pavement because it does things like that to them. But these are already worn out, so we're just gonna finish them off because they're no good to me anyway. We'll start off slow. And we're gonna come back with all the beans. That's not good for bodies. And it folded my wheelie bar under. All right, wheelie bar's back on. The brakes take forever on 3S. We got to get out of the way of this car. That's Eric, my stepson, coming home. I wonder if he knows he's got a headlight out. Bet you $5 he don't. She is too fast for her own good. Got neighbors out cruising in a golf cart. That weird noise is dragging the wheelie bar up underneath the car. That wheelie bar does not like big wrecks. Just like those big pin racing tires, soft racing tires do not care for this asphalt. Good grief. I keep crashing. There's a learning curve to this thing and I ain't there yet. I'm definitely not there yet. At least the wheelie bar stayed in place this time. So can you see those wheels? Watch them balloon out. Yeah, that's the secret. You get her going pretty good and then delay the beans to it and she just picks the front end right on up. Uh-oh. What's that flapping? Did I get another one? No, looks like there was just something stuck to one of my tires temporarily. The Basher's real, it's fun. It's kind of beat up now. I was hoping not to do that, but my gosh, this thing's fast. Okay. It's not broken. After that last little hit to the cactus, it quit going. But I think what we're gonna find out is that, well, let me get y'all off my helmet, off my hat where I can see what's going on. Anyway, about to lose. Pretty sure what happened is, yeah, battery came unplugged when it hit, and you can see this battery's a bit puffed, so I couldn't put it in the battery tray. I had it wrapped with zip ties. It came out unplugged. Anyway, even though the body is kind of beat up and the brand new front bumper has got some scrapes in it, the fact of the matter is our first build is a success. It is a ton of fun. Now we just need a new rear wheel and a better 3S battery. That was fun. Anyway, if those things happen and we get her out and beat her up again, you'll see it all on RC Restomod.